how to set stop loss on Thinkorswim. Here's a step-by-step guide. First, you want to open up the Thinkorswim platform. You can launch the desktop app and log into your account, or you can also use the mobile app. Next, you will find your stock or option. You want to go to the monitor tab or use the trade tab to locate your position. Right click on the position, right click on the stock or option you want to protect with a stop loss, and then you will select create closing order. You will choose sell or sell stop depending on your preference. Set the stop price. Under the order type, you want to select stop, turns into a market order when your price is hit, or stop limit adds a limit to control the fill price. Then set your stop price, for example 5 to 10% below current price. Choose time in force, set today, valid for today only, or GTC, good until cancelled, stays active until triggered or cancelled. Confirm and send. Next, you will click confirm and send, double check your order and hit the send button. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub.